All right, let's get you more breaking updates now coming in because the demands of the opposition leaders are still continuing. Remember, the TMC has demanded the resignation of Amit Shah. Now, the Congress party has moved adjournment notice wanting to discuss the use of police force. On the other hand, the DMK MP TR Balu has given adjournment motion notice in the Lok Sabha to discuss an immediate ban on NEET in its entirety and also inquiry on the use of, as it says by the DMK, lethal weapons against agitating students. So, Niyamika, again it comes back to the question of whether the opposition leaders are now changing multiple goalposts, or there are new demands that are coming in from the opposition leaders. The government says we are ready to discuss the anti-paper leak law, but now after the Congress party is the DMK MP who has moved an adjournment notice, and this seeks a ban on NEET in its entirety.
Well, the opposition was basically of the view that the reforms within the education system can be discussed later on, but the major focus point of the government should also be upon the kind of action which was being taken by the security forces against the protesting youth. That is the only reason why not just the Congress party but the other opposition parties have also moved adjournment motion notices in both the houses, in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha. We have seen that several of these MPs have given suspension of business notices because they are saying that the Union Home Minister is solely responsible for the way in which these, what they are saying is lethal force being used against these students, as they have been severely injured. Many of them are even being hospitalized. As we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi had also done a press conference with a student whose, eyesight has been affected due to the usage of pellet guns. So all of these matters are going to be taken up by the opposition parties today as well. But on the other side, we have seen that how the government is stating that we are giving assurance, we are ready to hold a discussion regarding the punishments which are going to be proposed in all of these, in basically this particular bill which is going to be discussed in the House today. But it is the opposition which is not ready to hold a debate. They are also running away from the debates, as the government had given this kind of assurance last week as well. But on the other side, the opposition is basically stating that not just the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, but also the resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah is going to be taken up.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for getting us all those updates. So just a few hours to go for the Parliament session to reconvene. All eyes are going to be on what happens in the Parliament. Are we finally going to see a discussion on the anti-paper leak bill that will be introduced by the government, or will we see another day of adjournments? That's the question. We're getting you all the updates and more. We're joining you live from Vijay Chowk. Time for a very quick break. We'll be right back.